join me on this episode as I make one of my favorites, dark chocolate hummus. The San Francisco Bay Area. Hummus is one of my favorite all-time snack foods. I discovered hummus in high school. It was this little Middle Eastern shop not too far from where my high school was, and I went there for lunch one day, and they had hummus, pita bread, and grilled vegetables. Ever since then, I've been obsessed with hummus. Trust me, if you hang out a little bit longer with Cook's Time, you will see me make a lot of different types of hummus. Okay, so for dessert tonight, to go along with our Indian-inspired meal, we are going to do chocolate hummus, or I should say I am going to do chocolate hummus and dates. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I like to make my chickpeas from scratch. It's very easy to do. You get the dry chickpeas, put them in your crock pot. You can follow the directions on the back of the bag. Add a little salt to it to give it a little bit more flavor, and I love to leave the liquid in it because the liquid adds a lot of thickness and texture to it. Okay, so I am going to use about 3 cups of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. You can call them chickpeas as well. They will be in your grocery store in the bean area. Okay, so that's about three cups of garbanzo beans. I'm going to save the liquid on it, use it later. Dark chocolate cocoa. This is so good. So if you are vegan, vegetarian, this is great for you. This has no milk or any animal products in it. So I am using a 100% dark chocolate cocoa powder. All right, any brand will do, I guess. I tend to go for the more expensive brand. Okay, so this will be about 1/2 cup of your cocoa powder. I like to use the dark chocolate because it gives it a nice, rich flavor. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, dates. I love the candy dates. See here? You could buy the ones that are pitted, or you could go ahead and take the seeds out of it. It's really easy. I'm going to use probably about 1 cup of this here. Yes, it's going to be a little sweet. All right. And then I have here my organic guava nectar. For this one here, I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of it. Not too much. You could use 1/3 cup if you like, depending on how sweet you would like it. All right. So we have here the chickpeas, the 100% cocoa powder, and the candied dates. All right. And I'm going to be using 100% vegetable oil. I'm not going to use the olive oil because I already have the chocolate, I already have the dates, and I already have the guava, so the guave. So I'm not going to use that. And we can do the post, a little bit of the oil, and you can just kind of toss it. Oh my goodness. All right, let's add a little bit of the liquid to it, just so that it could loosen up a little bit. But also the liquid holds its natural starch of the chickpeas as well, so it's going to make it a little bit more creamier. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do it a little bit more. I'm going to post it just a little bit more. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so good. I think I'm having too much fun. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Look at this. Look at that. I am coming because this is going going to be good. Yes, it is. Look at all that chocolate. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it up just like this here. Look at that. That is chocolate, okay? I said chocolate hummus for a reason, right? Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. All right, look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes, it is. Okay, so look, I'm gonna take a little bit of my olive oil and finish it up. Yes. And with this here, you can add fruit to it if you like. You can add strawberries to it, blueberries to it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of pink salt, just to give it that little flavor. Look at that. And there you have it. Chocolate hummus made with 100% cocoa powder, chickpea, and dates. Okay, Kai, you want to put the raspberries on for mommy?
Yeah.
Come on, go ahead. Put them on top. Hey, girl, don't be shy. Just put them on there. Put it on a chocolate hummus. Yeah, it's just like that. Put it on there. All right, thank you. Go get washed up for dinner, okay? And get your brother while you at it.
Okay.
Boys, it's time for dinner.
Okay.
Boys, come on. It's dinner time.
Ugh.
About that puppy.
That's not a dog. That's a bison.
Oh.
I thought it was a.
That's a dog.
Ooh, damn, look at that. Ooh, it's so good.
Oh, it's so good. Now you can pick it.
There you go. Thank you, Mom. Touch it. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
Why did the chicken
To play Crossy Road.
No! Why did the chicken cross the wall?
Play Crossy Road.
You just cross the wall. Is it?
Gotcha. Why?
So thank you for joining Cook's Time. Tonight was the Indian and Middle Eastern inspired dinner tonight. All right, so we have the curry potato salad. Remember, potato salad, I made it with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise and a little bit of lime juice just to brighten it up a bit. We have our naan bread, yes, our garlic naan bread with cilantro butter. Remember, I did not use butter, I used olive oil instead and brought it to life. That is so delicious. And for our treat tonight, we have our Indian fried chicken. And I did it with a masala spices to kind of give that nice, vibrant, and explosive flavor. Topped it with honey and lime and celery leaves. And for the star of the show, trust me, it might not look like it, but this is delicious. It is our chocolate hummus, and my son put the raspberries on top. Okay, thank you for joining me on Cook's Time. See you next time.